What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, like I said, this video for my boy Slick Rick. I'm gonna wipe y'all out, man. Camera code keep fogging up. But this video today for my boy Slick Rick, man. I've been meaning to show y'all that footage and do a vlog about it. Cause some of y'all saw it on the track, some of y'all haven't. But I wasn't there that day. I had my cameraman down there when he ran the car for the first time at the track. And look at that teeny bite just finished. But anyway, and I was like, man, I'm gonna do a vlog, man, for y'all, show my boy some love and all that, cause we're gonna have some stuff coming up together and all that. But another thing we're gonna do in this vlog is I finally, man, I know I keep wiping y'all off, man, but the camera just gonna keep fogging up. So humid out here. Boom! This is my overflow. Got me a new overflow. So we about to go ahead and get that on John Jones car. I've been wanting to drive the car. I like, man, I should have just been when it got an overflow. Which I'm gonna go get one from the parts store. I mean, you can buy one. Ain't no big deal. And then I'm gonna make me a mount and mount it to the firewall, not the firewall, to the fender. I'm gonna make some stuff happen. So we're gonna do that first. I'm gonna get this thing uncovered, then we're gonna make that happen. Alright, y'all. So we back. Just this simple, man. Take this. Boom, boom. Let's see. And you got overflow again. Just like that. Just this simple. Gotta do overflow. So now, I'm gonna see where I can mount this thing. I could. Now I can't zip tie it like that cause it'll kink the holes and stuff. So, well, don't want to. It's pretty firm, man. It probably, nah, it'll hold. Let me see. I got 2 zip ties. We want it. Let me see. Or we might come around like this. The hole's really too long. Really need to be cut. I'll do that at another time. Yeah, we might come around like this right here. Let me see. And I'm gonna get an overflow. I'm gonna get an actual overflow. You can buy it from AutoZone. I mean, I got one on me. And I'm gonna get one. But for now, this is what I'm doing. Cause I ain't stopped by AutoZone. This cheap. This is the cheap way. So we're gonna come around there and zip tie that bad boy. Zip ties, boy. I don't know who invented them, but they did their thing. Whoever invented zip ties, boy, they the GOAT. So when I say a zip tie, you use zip tie for everything. Everything. Pimpin', pimpin'. Oh boy, Cat, what you say? Yes, sir. That ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere. So we're gonna cut that off. The camera fogging up. I apologize, y'all, cause it's just humid out here, and nothing I can do about that. And it been cool, and the camera been cool. So now we got that. We got that straightened out. Our overflow problem is fixed. Crank this bad boy up. Look at Tina trying to cover her ears like they call loud. Car ain't even loud. Teen. It's all leak. Good to go. That AC is cold, boy. You dribbling?
Yeah, I was dribbling on the trampoline.
So we got that fit, y'all. So we got that straightened out. Like I said, I was just doing that in the vlog. Cause I know y'all some of y'all be looking after me in the comment, reminding me, make sure I take care of stuff, this and that. I be appreciating it. So I got that taken care of. We got the overflow good. Fit the cutlet the other day. So we straight, man. We straight. Everything rolling. So now, like I said at the beginning, I'ma roll this footage of my fan Rick. The 2 shakedowns he made. The first shakedown took off in 2nd gear. So y'all see that, so y'all know what's going on. He took off in 2nd gear on the 24. Y'all can see by the thumbnail though. Like I said, it really showing him love. He took off in 2nd gear, and then the next race he took off in 1st. And it was a lot of pedaling, y'all gonna see, but he still put some space on the car that he was beside. Put some space on. You know, it's a bad ride. That's all I can tell you. It's a bad unit. So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all this or whatever, and I'm gonna be going over there soon, man. Let y'all hear idle and stuff, cause y'all ain't heard and stuff. Rick like, man, he cool, it don't matter. He gonna get back putting y'all some videos up soon, man. His YouTube is on the screen. Don't panic. He got a lot of content for y'all. He been stockpiling videos. He been stockpiling, so it's a whole lot of content he got. He just ain't uploaded it yet. So he got stuff for y'all. Even the process of some of the stuff he done to the car. So y'all want to stay tuned, subscribe to him, just wait, hit that little bell, man, turn on your post notification. When them uploads start dropping, they're gonna start dropping back to back to back. So you know you're gonna want to check them out. And the only reason he doing it like that, cause he work scheduling stuff and he work on other people's stuff, obviously, as y'all know. So he just stockpiling content so he can free up himself some time, then he'll do it again. And then the video flow will never stop. Y'all won't have no break. So I'm gonna roll that footage, then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got John John covered on up. Finna get in the house. Look like it finna rain. But y'all saw that footage of my fan Rick, man. That man doing his thing, man. That's a bad car. It's a bad unit. I'm telling y'all. Man, it's a bad unit. And y'all gonna see some good content coming from my fan Rick and stuff. Like I said, we got some stuff we gonna collab on and all of that, man. It's a lot of stuff. Like I said, I'm about to really start getting into collabs with certain people, up and coming people too, especially people that support the channel. And I know it's some people out of state that contacting me. I supposed to be getting with some people and all that. If you out of state and you want to collab, man, pull up on me. Pull up on me, man. I mean, I'm down to collab with anybody, but I'm not just gonna be going here, there, and this and that. And now it's different if I'm in town, cause I'm recording at a track or something and we link or something, that's cool. But I don't mind helping people out. Y'all should see that. I'm not one of them creators that look at a person count and like, oh, he got 200 subscribers, I ain't gonna help him out. That ain't like that. If somebody support me and you really know they support you, like, I ain't got no problem with it. Cause some people say, did what I run into at the track, or if I'm out somewhere, I have somebody come up and be like, hey man, I watch you. Or they'll say I watch you every day, but then immediately if we conversate a little longer, they let me know that they don't watch every day, which is cool. I mean, I appreciate everybody that watch. It might be a person that just come through every now and then, or they might get a recommendation and then it's something that interests them and they click on it. That's just how social media work. But you got them people that watch every day. You can tell when you meet them. The stuff they be telling you, they watch every day. And some of y'all actually tune in to everybody in the family. And I mean in the family, like everybody y'all see on my channel on a regular basis, from Cuzzo, the Aunt been AWOL too, man. I'm gonna have to get on Aunt. I'm gonna say, hey, I told y'all when Aunt was upload, I gotta go over there and say, hey, let's do this video. I got to. But Aunt more old school, this and that. I mean, but he always open to do stuff. So I'm just gonna have to go back under there and get y'all some content. We're gonna get him rolling. But like some of y'all tune in to the whole family, man. Wifey channel, Aunt, Cuzzo, Rick. Then, you know, you got Terry. Terry got a channel, my fan Sabrina. She be on Instagram. All seen on Instagram. Everybody y'all see on my channel on a regular basis, or y'all done seen multiple times and stuff, you know. And it's more people y'all gonna see, man. It's more people y'all gonna see. I'm cool with a lot of people, but it's only a select few that's really family. You know, I call family. There y'all see them on a regular basis. So, you know, and then you got people drop in. My little bro, big man, old school kings and stuff. Then my big brother. You know, but it just more to come. I'm about to start kicking them collabs out with y'all. Cause I've been giving y'all a lot of content. We done put stuff together in the yard. We've been going to the track. We damn sure done showed out. We love showing out in Mexico. We like doing it. So most stuff coming, man. I'm gonna start getting some more education videos for y'all too, cause I know it's a lot of people be having a lot of questions, and a lot of people that come up to me, they be like, man, I appreciate the information you be giving. And you know, I try to be as informative as possible, especially when it comes to like the big rim culture and all that, cause that's where I come from. I don't never forget where I come from, man. Like, I love drag racing. I'm known in the grudge game or a lot for my video, but I come from big rim stuff. That's why I always love it. And I got audiences on both sides. I got people I'm close with that they don't like big rim stuff. Got big rim people that don't like small tie stuff. But I try to be the common ground, the middle ground, where people can appreciate it. And you know, I let them try to learn to appreciate it through me. So it's really not, I don't know. It might be somebody out there, but I try to be that person that real informative on the big rim side. You got other great channels that real informative when it comes to racing. Like I said, I got shout out Billy and Bill, man, street racing channel, and SRC Garage. I love them guys. They're my guys, man. Bill give out a lot of game information when it comes to racing. My boy Turbo John. Like I said, I personally know all these people, man. Like, these my buddies. These my buddies. Like, I'm connected on all avenues when it comes to racing and cars. Like, I'm connected, and I'm close with some people. People probably don't even know, wouldn't even think. But you don't really have that, nobody like that when it comes to the big rims or these box Chevys and G bodies and, you know, the stuff like that. The type of cars, like, you'll have us I'ma say more so, I'm just keep it real, us people of color. Us people of color come up around this stuff, at least in my age group, my generation, you know, we come up around that. Like, that's what we looked up. Like, hey, man, I want to see box Chevy. I'm sitting there at my grandma's house, and box Chevy is my favorite car. Besides a Grand National, a box Chevy is my favorite car of all time. Like, it is. I just keep it real when it comes, like, I know people feathers got ruffled when I said they got hood value, street value, which is true. I mean, but like I said, at the end of the day, a car is only worth what somebody want to pay for it. This is real life. So whatever, like, you can take that wholesale money car, it ain't really worth nothing, but somebody want it bad enough, they're gonna cash out. And they going up, the market for them going up. It's supply and demand though. That's what it is. It's supply and demand. It's not based on rarity, cause that's how a car is valued, based on rarity. If they produce thousands of them, it's really not a rare car. I mean, it ain't worth nothing. That's just real. And this coming from a man who bought a box Chevy is his second favorite car. Anybody that know me, I done had about every year box Chevy you can have. I done had it. For real. I done lost count of how many box Chevys I done had. But Grand National is a true rare car. 69 Camaro is a one by itself. So, you know, it's based on production. That's why I said it. But people fellas got rough when I said that a while back. But I'm like, hey man, by now people know me. I stand on what I say, and I mean what I say. So that's just what it is. But I try to be that person that's informative and teach people information when it comes to them type of cars. You know, cause you don't have that, or a basic or a more basic level of racing or whatever. But I try to teach people the grudge game too, and some of that, how that go, cause I done been in it. But yeah, that's it, man. That's it for this video. I'm feeling raindrop. I'm finna go in the house. I'm just shooting it for y'all, cause I'm probably not gonna shoot nothing tomorrow, cause it's supposed to rain. I thought we were gonna go to the track. We was gonna take rhythm and blues to the track, but it's supposed to rain, so I don't know. Either way, this week coming up, I'm putting that car on some slicks and front runners in a legitimate hit. Burn out, heat the tires up, right air pressing, and yeah, I'm sitting it. So yeah, that's it, y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later. BCG.